Hi guys, my name is Pison Jojip from Sabah, Borneo, and welcome to Ropuhan di Tanakwagu's cooking channel. In this video, I'm going to cook chicken rice porridge with coconut milk. This recipe is very easy to cook and it's very delicious too. Like always, kano mogosok, which means let's cook in my Kadazan Dusun mother tongue. To cook this porridge, I've smashed 3 inches of ginger, 2 inches of turmeric, 4 cloves of garlic, and 2 stalks of lemongrass. 400 grams of chicken flesh and bones. 120 grams of washed broken rice. 100 ml of thick coconut milk. Some pandan leaves. 8 cups of water, or enough to cook this porridge. Some salt to taste, and the last ingredient is some MSG. Next step is I put all the ingredients inside my cooking pan except for the coconut milk and pandan leaves. Then turn on the fire and let this boil. When this starts boiling, give it a stir and reduce the fire. Cover this and let this simmer gently for around 30 minutes because I want all the flavor to be soaked up by the rice. And don't forget to stir this every now and then to prevent the rice from sticking at the bottom of the pan and then end up getting burned. Okay guys, once the rice become thick and creamy like this, it's time to add in the coconut milk and pandan leaves. I'm adding this coconut milk last because I want to be able to taste the flavor of the coconut milk, and also I want to smell the fragrance of the pandan leaf. Keep stirring and wait until it bubble or boil. Alright guys, my porridge is bubbling now. I'm going to switch off the fire and I'm going to season it with salt. If you like MSG, you can add. But seriously guys, you don't need MSG for this porridge. Just the smell of it will make you salivating. Just imagine the smell of pandan, coconut milk, lemongrass, ginger, turmeric, garlic combined together. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And there you go guys. My chicken rice porridge with coconut milk. Thank you very much for watching guys. Like always, if you have all the ingredients at home, don't forget to try this chicken rice porridge with coconut milk recipe. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page at Ropuhan di Tanakwagu.